Hey there, cruise lovers. Ready to dive into the hidden gems of a cruise ship? Let's go on a virtual tour that'll make you want to pack your bags and set sail right away. First stop, the staterooms. Whether you're in an inside cabin or a luxurious suite, cruise ships offer comfort and style. Imagine waking up to a stunning ocean view right from your bed, or enjoying a private balcony with your morning coffee. Every room is designed to make you feel at home while you're on the high seas. Now, let's talk about amenities. Cruise ships are like floating cities. From swimming pools and hot tubs to state-of-the-art fitness centers and spas, there's something for everyone. Ever tried rock climbing at sea? Or maybe a round of mini golf? The options are endless. And let's not forget the food. Oh, the food. With multiple dining options, you can indulge in gourmet cuisine, buffet feasts, or even grab a quick snack by the pool. Fancy a 5-course meal or maybe a midnight pizza? Your taste buds are in for a treat. When it comes to activities, you'll never be bored. Day or night, there's always something happening. How about a cooking class or wine tasting session? Feeling adventurous? Try the water slides or zip line. For the kids, there's a whole world of fun with kid-friendly zones and clubs. Entertainment on board is top-notch. Think Broadway-style shows, live music, comedy acts, and even movie nights under the stars. You can dance the night away in the nightclub or try your luck at the casino. There's always a show or event to keep you entertained. And don't forget to explore the ship itself. Each deck has its own unique vibe and attractions. From elegant lounges and bars to bustling shops and art galleries, there's so much to discover. You might even find a quiet nook for some relaxation and reflection. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that like button if you enjoyed this tour. Comment below and let me know your favorite part of a cruise ship. And don't forget to subscribe for more virtual adventures. Until next time, happy cruising.